As your exams are coming in March, I am going to revision the base salts and bases and acids. What is an acid? Write down. What is an acid? First acids. Write down what is an acid. Acid is a substance. Acid is a substance. Acid is a substance. When it dissolves in water, which produces H plus ions with a taste of sour. Acid has a taste of sour, and it turns litmus, red litmus, blue litmus into red color. Blue litmus into red color. Write down Sama. Blue litmus into red color. Next bases. Base is a substance. When it dissolves in water, which produces and it dissolves water, which produces OH minus anions. Next, salts. Third one is salts. When acid reacts with base, which produce salts and water. Next, acids with metals. Acid with metals. Acid reacts with, write down, an acid reacts with metal, which produces hydrogen gas. You have a lab activity, you will have to observe that. Hydrogen plus example, HCl plus zinc gives rise to zinc chloride plus water, ZnCl2 plus H2O. That is for example for acids. Next, carbonates, acids with carbonates. Acid with carbonates. When the acid is mixed with carbonates, which produces or evolves the gas of evolves the gas of, write down, evolves the gas of carbon dioxide. Write down. Very important lesson. You are going to exam. Carbon dioxide. Example, HCl plus CaCO, the calcium carbonate, gives rise to calcium chloride, CaCl2 plus H2O water, and carbon dioxide plus carbon dioxide. Those are the, what are the two? Acids, bases, I told you. Next, salts also. Now, indicators. There are so many indicators. Some of them here I am going to give it. First one is litmus. Write down litmus, LITMS, which has come from the lichen plant. Litmus paper is touched with acid is touched with acid, color will be changed into blue color will be changed into red. When next point, when litmus paper is touched with base, which gives blue color into red color into blue, red color into blue, red color into blue. The pH scale, next pH scale. pH scale means power of hydrogen ions. Power of hydrogen ions. Power of hydrogen ions. Only it means power of hydrogen ions. Power of hydrogen below 7 pH. Below 7 pH. Below 7 pH. A acidic. Above 7 means basic. 7 pH is the neutralization. Neutral. 7 pH is the neutralization. Example, citric acid 2.3 or something, that is acidic. Calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice, which gives 14 pH, that is represented to base. Here there are indicators of, next indicator is methyl orange. Methyl orange changes base into methyl orange. Pink color or orange color. Methyl orange. Acid, in acid, red color. Next, naphthalene. Naphthalene means color around. Naphthalene mixed with acid. The color is colorless in acid. Colorless in acid. Colorless acid and base